Can you find them? Where's your other ball? Where's your other one? Are you having fun in there? Yay! Yay! Is that pretty comfortable? Are you going to relax now? Take a little snooze in there? That's your shoe. It's attached to your foot. That's your shoe. Did you find your shoe? Could you find your foot? Oh, is that fun? Did Aunt Twink and Uncle Bob send you the best gift ever? Who knew they just needed to send an empty box of peanuts? Yay! Roosevelt and Kennedy, you want in on the action? Uh-oh. Careful. All your peanuts are going to come out. Come here. Can you stand up? Stand up. Stand up. Mommy's here to help you. Can you get your feet under you? Okay. Whoa, that was a huge step. That was a huge step. Eli Thomas, you're kind of dirty. Eli Thomas? Eli Thomas? How come you got dirt all over you?